Hey everybody, it's George the Tech here at NAMM 2019 Day 2, and we're digging in here with Aston Microphones, and a little something different from them. Here to tell me about it's Cliff. How you doing, Cliff?
I'm doing good.
Hey, man.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
Well, we are familiar with, from your last couple years, your Origin mics. I've heard them. They're really interesting, great-looking mics. They sound really nice. This is a totally different, form factor. What's this?
It is.
What's unique about this mic?
So this is our first dynamic mic from Aston, and there's a lot of features with this that's going to be very competitive to the SM7B. First of all, it's top addressed here and has a built-in pop filter. The cool thing is that the capsule and the PCB is suspended by Sorbothane hemispheres. So it keeps it afloat, and you don't need any additional shock mount.
Nice, that's handy.
There's also a Class A mic pre built in, so it will auto-detect if you're running phantom power. So the cool thing is, once that phantom power is running, you'll see that there's some purple LEDs here to indicate that the phantom power is on. Now, if you don't want those lights on, you could actually turn it off here. This little button here.
That's nice. You get
absolutely.
the purple lights, but you can turn them off.
Yeah, it might be easier with the lights
purple.
on. Yeah, but so that's just to indicate that the phantom power is running. So it's dynamic, so of course you don't need to use that phantom power, but it has that studio-grade quality, which is really remarkable. There's also a 4-step voice in it, so it's like having 4 different mics in one. You have a voice 1 and a voice 2. So based off of your vocals, whether it's soprano or baritone, you may just want to mess with it and see what works best for you. There's also a guitar setting, which is really unique because it actually works for acoustic and for electric guitars.
Okay.
So it's pretty universal. And then we finally have a dark setting, which is similar to a ribbon mic. It has a nice, rich, deep tone to it.
Wow.
Great for a kick drum. Gives you kind of a John Bonham style approach, I'd say.
Or in our world, where we do a lot of voiceover, it could give you that classic radio sound.
Absolutely. And this mic is ideal for podcasting.
Yeah.
It really is a universal product.
Definitely. Well, it's something we might want to try out in the VO studio and see how relevant it is. We may be surprised by dynamic mic for the first time in a long time. Anyway, thanks, Cliff. Appreciate it.
Of course. Yeah, thank you, guys. I really appreciate the time.